you can help with any of the other cases you've seen on tonight's show, call now on 0800 107 info or head to the police website and speak to a case officer online.
What day is it?
Open it up. I don't know what that is.
Day 69.
Day 69. Day 420.
This is not.
Look at this guy. He thinks he's cool with his like skater.
Why is Ruben got a camera on all of a sudden? Oh no.
Alright, new battery pack. What is this bad boy?
Right now. You got the chain?
What are we? 20S 5P. Close to 3 kilowatt.
Before 3P like 10S.
We had 3P 10S, yes. We got the prototype that goes hard.
It's gonna go easy.
With the 𝐔𝐄𝐃.
That's the wrong side.
How do you find it down?
Gotta get the 𝐿𝐿𝐃𝐃.
What's that one,
I'm filming.
I don't know if you're better find those.
Oh, they're here.
Are they?
Is it the size that you don't have anymore though? That's the real question.
Probably is. There is one gear.
No, but this is the right setup.
Probably.
Alright, where's the 2.5?
Is it the 2.5? It's always the 2.5.
Every time.
Alright, I think this is 2.5.
Yeah, that's
It's plainly not going to go. This is going to be it. This is going to be the final design. You watch.
Hey, come on, we're getting there. We're getting there.
we don't need the wedge if we just go straight with the chain because it's got the drill there.
Oh, right.
Is that going to fuck with the
Oh, yeah, just take the big. Yeah, just go straight motor.
I guess I shouldn't bend those. That other gear.
Oh, what are these? These are like 12, 13 mil.
You
Aren't
got a
they?
shit ton more power, don't you?
Yeah, we have a lot more power. I just don't know if it'll be able to like deliver it, you know.
Do you want a 13 mil spanner?
Yeah, 13.
I think they're 13, yeah. 13s.
These are both 13. That's not 13.
That feels
15.
Pranked.
That feels what?
No one has coronavirus, right?
I do.
Bro, I like went blind from this, like for like a minute. I'm not even kidding. I don't know why I did that. I was so tired. I was just like, bam! It just fucking exploded. Let's see if I can.
You need flips for that.
Yeah.
Get it. Fucking strop down nice and good. You're certified electrical man, yeah?
I like chicken, bro.
Chicken. Look at this dude. This is why we don't have nice things at CAA.
You're the reason why we can't have nice things, okay?
This isn't plugged in, bro.
What's that for?
It's for the motor. It's the sensors.
Oh yeah, that goes into these holes. That's the one.
Oh,
Then we go power lock. Power lock. You ready? Reverse. There's like one of these you have to like connect to itself. Again, voltage.
do you want a multimeter?
Yeah. Is it on?
DC, yep.
Okay, well let's first voltage is battery roughly. 83. Then we can measure there.
Yep, 83.
33. Wait, it's negative though.
Yeah, it's because it go backwards.
Power lock.
Is it us?
I think so. That's going the right way too. The right one. I like to be.
So what, you reckon it needed to calibrate before it would?
Okay, wait, reverse. Yeah, it turns it off. Here we go, put chain on. Let me put my hand on. Onto that. Oh no.
Oh, we shortened it.
Yeah, we did. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Are you filming?
I'm filming, yeah. That's so fast. It sounds like a fucking two-stroke. He's got no brakes.
It's got front brakes.
They don't work. They're rim brakes. Seriously, they don't stop.
It's fast.
Very fast. Okay.
It sounds fucked, and the chain is like skipping
we
gears.
need to delete this.
It's not, oh, does it pop out? It's not in it.
Yeah, it's just rubbing on it.
Yeah, it's not because we didn't put it in it.
Yeah, fuck.
When
No,
you put
you
it,
it's too wide.
no,
It's sitting out.
no, we need to put it in it. Yeah, there you go,
Just turn it on.
bro. It was like skipping teeth. It was so like, yeah, it's off now.
It current limited as well.
Did it?
Yep.
Really?
Yep.
The BMS?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, it did. That was fast.
Why are you filming me? Why is Ruben got a camera all of a sudden? Why do you have the camera all of a sudden, Ruben?